A signal is a quantifiable measure that can vary over time or space, providing information about the state of a physical system or facilitating communication between observers. Analog modulation. Frequency modulation, FM. The frequency of the carrier signal varies according to the instantaneous amplitude of the modulating signal. Amplitude modulation. AM. The amplitude of the carrier signal varies in line with the instantaneous amplitude of the modulating signal. Phase modulation. PM. The phase of the carrier signal is altered based on the instantaneous amplitude of the modulating signal. Digital modulation. Amplitude shift keying, ASK. Frequency shift keying, FSK. Phase shift keying, PSK. Quadrature amplitude modulation, QAM. Noise. Noise is a random fluctuation in an electrical signal, an inherent characteristic of all electronic circuits. Modulation. Modulation is the process of varying one or more properties of a periodic waveform. QAM modulation. Quadrature amplitude modulation, QAM, simultaneously utilizes amplitude and phase modulation. Essentially, it combines PSK and ASK modulation to achieve faster transmission rates over the same bandwidth.
Modulation symbols and bits. Modulation symbol bits tort camber 28 psk 1316 camber tort 32 camber 56 tort camber 6128 camber 7256 camber 8512 camber 918 tort camber 1A.
Moving to higher order constellations allows for more bits per symbol, but the closer proximity of constellation points makes the transmission more susceptible to noise. To maintain the same error probability, bit error rate or BER, a higher signal-to-noise ratio, SNR, is required, which can be achieved by increasing transmission power or adjusting reception thresholds. Capacity formula. Capacity, bit/s, equals bandwidth, hertz, x log 2, modulation, QAM. SNR formula. SNR, dB, equals real signal / noise plus interference. Example of 64 QAM. As depicted earlier, 64 QAM, or any other modulation scheme, is applied to the input binary bits. Basic telecommunication elements. A fundamental telecommunication system consists of three key components. Transmitter, converts information into a signal. Transmission medium, also known as the physical channel, it carries the signal.